So if you know anything about me, I don't do a whole lot of cooking, never have. So jumping in and making an apple pie from scratch was a very big deal. But this AVLA ceramic pie dish took my non-baking game to an entirely different level. So as you watch me make my very first apple pie, I will tell you that I am in love with this ceramic pie dish. It's 9 inches wide and 2 inches deep, perfect for all my baking needs, and it comes in a set of 2 on Amazon. What's more, it's made of high-quality porcelain, ensuring a non-stick experience every single time. And it's not just pretty. This dish offers heating and superior heat retention, keeping my culinary creations hot and delicious for longer. And as you can see on Amazon, I'm not the only fan. So whether it's pumpkin pie, apple pie, or even a savory chicken pot pie, this pie dish handles it all and looks terrific while doing it. So don't wait. Click the link below and grab these pie dishes on Amazon to elevate your non-baking game.